This video will demonstrate how to work with tab pages provided in the Reynolds Canvas templates using CityLab's Design Plus, a design tool for Canvas. At the end of this video, learners will be able to edit tabs on the Reynolds template pages, including adding and deleting existing tabs. Learners will also be able to create new tab pages from scratch. To understand how tab pages work in Canvas, you need to understand the toolbox that brought tab pages to Reynolds courses in the first place. That toolbox is CityLab's Design Plus, design tools for Canvas. Created to significantly cut the time it takes to develop a course in Canvas, Design Plus enables faculty and learning designers to rapidly build course shells and painlessly build and style high-quality content for their courses. All Reynolds faculty have access to Design Plus tools. However, we caution first-time users as it is quite easy to break things and to mess up your content if you don't know what you're doing. While not required, we strongly recommend that faculty take our Design Plus training when available. Otherwise, it is possible to still add, edit, and delete existing tabs on the Reynolds Canvas templates without training, so long as you follow these instructions carefully. If you do wish to explore more features of Design Plus tools, please attend one of our professional learning sessions or reach out to us at CETL, C-E-T-L, at reynolds.edu to schedule a one-on-one consultation. Let's jump in. First, let's look at how to edit existing tabs when using the Reynolds templates. All faculty have access to Reynolds Canvas templates. Look for the Templates module in your current Canvas course. Accessing the Design Plus tools is simple and straightforward. Navigate to one of these templates that has tabs. For this video, I'll be using Module Option A. Once the page is loaded, make note where the tabs live. In this case, under Learning Content. Also note the tabbed names, beginning with Lecture and ending with Videos. Click the Edit button at the top of the page to edit. First-time users of the design tools will need to expand the toolbar by clicking the red rocket ship in the upper right-hand corner. Once the toolbar is visible, locate the tab section of the page. In this case, I've located Learning Content, and note the first tab titled Lecture. Notice that when editing, the tabs are laid out vertically, not horizontally as seen before. Click either in the tab heading or tab content area. Confirm by your blinking cursor. With your cursor in one of the tab content areas or heading, locate the Add Advanced Elements from the toolbar and click to expand. Then, locate and click Accordion and Tabs to expand the menu. It should be the first option on the list. It is on this menu you'll see the existing tabs already laid out, from Lecture all the way down to Videos. Use these text fields to edit existing tab names. Notice how it changes the name in real time on the page. To delete a tab, simply click the X on the corresponding tab. Please keep in mind that once a tab and its corresponding content is deleted and then the page is saved, there's no way to undo that action and recover your information, so please delete carefully. To add a new tab, click the Add Panel button above, and a new tab will appear at the bottom of the list, titled Panel Heading. Click in the text box to edit the tab heading. Any changes you make here will update live on the page as before. If your new tab has a different background color than the rest, as seen here in gray, you'll need to change that in the Design Plus toolbar. Again, we recommend taking training on the Design Plus tools to acclimate yourself more with this tool set. For the sake of this video, I'll show you how to change the color of your tab. First, click into the tab heading to show your blinking cursor once again. Minimize the Accordions and Tabs drop-down menu by selecting. Then also minimize the Add Advanced Elements tab. This will make navigating the toolbar much easier. Next, expand the Customize the Style menu. Then also the current element style. As long as you clicked on the tab heading, you should see the category Colors Advanced. Click to expand that if it isn't already. From that menu, locate the Colors from Content and select your desired color. Clicking will change the background color of your tab heading in real time. In this example, I chose the existing red, which I knew was the same red used before in the other tab headings. You can then add any content to the panel content to fill out your tab pages. Same goes for the other tabs. Edit, add, or delete content to complete your pages. So far, we've covered how to edit, add, and delete existing tabs. Let's take a look at creating tab pages from a blank or new Canvas page. Once you've created and pulled up a new blank Canvas page, as I have here, and are in edit mode, navigate to the Design Plus toolbar, locate and expand the Add Advanced Elements dropdown, then expand accordions and tabs. Next, click on that page where you want to add the tab headings and confirm your blinking cursor. From the Add New section in the accordion tabs menu, select Add Cursor. A panel heading and panel content is added to your page. Note that a panel heading block has been added under the Accordions and Tab drop-down menu. We will use this space to add additional tabs and edit their names. Before proceeding, select Tabs from the Type selector in the Design Plus tools. Next, select the panel heading text, delete it, and change it to your desired tab or panel heading. Notice that it changes the panel heading live on the page. Click the Add Panel button to add your second panel or tab. Then edit that text to change the heading, just like the first. Repeat for however many tabs you wish to create. Next, we will add content to each tab page. We'll use the Rich Content Editor as usual to do this. Select the panel content text on the page and delete it. Then begin adding your desired content. Repeat for each tab. Note that you can add content just like any Canvas page from the Rich Content Editor, including images, videos, links, tables, and so much more. When you're satisfied with the content you've added, save the page to view. You should now see your tabs displayed horizontally on the page. Click through them to confirm. To edit, add additional tabs, or delete tabs, simply click the Edit button and resume. A few important points to make when using the Design Plus tools. Anytime you use the tools, be sure to keep any content you add in between the Design Tools wrapper, as seen here at the top and bottom of the page. They will be indicated by a light gray banner. Content added outside of this banner will still be displayed on your Canvas page, but any additional themes or styles will not apply to the content outside of the banner. Also, if you copy and paste content from another Canvas course, page, or source, be mindful where you are copying and pasting to specifically. Depending on where your cursor was last blinking, you may end up pasting content into existing content or styles, often altering or deleting certain elements on your page. If possible, give the content you are pasting plenty of space before and after so as not to alter any existing page elements. On that note, a final point to make is to be sure to save your work often whenever using the Design Plus tools, especially when working with tabs. We recommend working on your content in sections, then save and review your work as you go. Saving often will allow you to backtrack to a recently saved version in the event your page or other elements are messed up. While there is an undo button in the Design Plus tools, it is not infinite and it will stop undoing after so many actions. Getting into the habit of saving your work often will save you time in the long run. Trust us. And that's how to work with tabs using the Design Plus tools in Canvas. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at cetl, C-E-T-L, @reynolds.edu.